Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Janice. Today I put together some really easy, adorable Dollar Tree Valentine's DIYs. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. So let's begin. For the first one, we're going to take a Dollar Tree wood cat and two wood hearts from Dollar Tree. I don't know if your Dollar Tree carries them, but mine still does, and I think they're adorable. So I'm going to start by painting them. The cat's going to be black. I just used basic Dollar Tree black chalkboard paint, and the two hearts are going to be red. I believe it's called Imperial Red. Now I want to give the cat a bow, and I'm just using this really fine ribbon. I believe I got this from Hobby Lobby. So I'm just going to create a little ribbon, tie it around his neck, but I do change it at the end because it looks like it's wrapped around his paw. So I change it. Now just going to trim the ribbon. This one comes out so cute. So I want to add a little tiny pearl to his bow in front. So I'm just going to take a little pearl. These are from Dollar Tree. They always carry pearls. Now for the heart, do some white stitching. I'm just going to use my white marker, go around the outside of the heart. So I decided not to use my Cricut, so I'm going to use a white marker and just handwrite in the word love. Now, I don't show it, but the other heart, I actually wrote out the word XOXO. Now I'm going to hot glue everything down. This little stand is just a paint stick. I painted black, and I'm just going to hot glue the heart down. I have to figure out if it's going to touch the paw of the cat. That's why I was measuring it, if you've seen what I was doing. Now I'm going to go ahead and hot glue down the cat first, and then hot glue down the two hearts. Looks like he's touching the hearts. It's really cute. And that is it for this project, and look how adorable this one came out. For this one, I'm going to use a Dollar Tree heart. I used it before. It's painted like a light white color, off-white. And I'm going to use a Hobby Lobby craft paper. This is really pretty. And some Temu letters, some ribbon, and some foam flowers from Dollar Tree. I went ahead and cut out the Hobby Lobby craft paper, and to apply it down, I used a glue stick. However, I needed some Mod Podge for the ends because it was curling up. Now for the letters, instead of painting them, I'm going to use a red marker. So I'm using a glue stick to place down the letters. However, I needed a little hot glue to reinforce it, so I did that later on. So I did add a little beige bow off camera. Now I'm going to take those red roses and just hot glue them to the corner of the heart. So I'm also going to use a Dollar Tree pearls and just hot glue them right inside the roses. And that is it for this project. And this came out really pretty. It's different. For this one is super easy. It takes less than 5 minutes to make. These are pieces that I had left over from the wood that I bought from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to go ahead and start painting one with the antique wax. Added a little water to one of them because I'm running out of antique wax actually. And then the other one I'm going to paint with a white paint color. Now I'm going to place down the decal that I created on my Cricut. It's going to say XOXO. These are really cute for like a tiered tray if you like doing tiered trays, or if you want to just add them to your shelves or anywhere around your house. They're tiny enough to place anywhere. I think they're really cute. The other one I'm going to place down the vinyl that I created on my Cricut. So say I, And then I'm going to use a Dollar Tree, like a felt heart for the love part of it. So it's going to say, I love you. Super easy, super fun to make, and really adorable. And this project is done. For this one, we're going to take a Dollar Tree heart. I pulled this off of one of Dollar Tree's items. I used my Cricut and these little tiny wood hearts on the stick. I'm going to use 3, and this came from Hobby Lobby. It looks like writing paper. So I'm going to trace the heart, cut it out, and we're going to apply the writing paper or notepad paper, whatever you want to call it. We're going to Mod Podge it on top of the heart. So if you guessed, we are making a notepad heart, and it comes out really cute. So I'm going to use my Cricut tool and apply it on top of the heart, right over the paper, make sure that it is actually adhering to the heart. Now for the sides, I decided to use the white paint because the MDF, I didn't like the way it looked. So I created a decal on my Cricut, just going to place down the wording, and it's going to say, P.S. I love you. So cute. Now I found these at Dollar Tree. These are called hair spirals, and I actually pulled one apart. So I'm going to place that on the side of the heart because we're trying to make it look like a notepad. It didn't want to really stick very well, but I used a lot of glue, unfortunately. Now, if you have a better idea, go ahead. I mean, this is the only thing I could think of to make like a little notepad, but at the end results, it comes out so cute. Now I'm going to take those 3 little hearts on the sticks, pull them apart, and all I'm going to do is hot glue them to the heart. Now I'm going to place down the last heart. Now I want it to be able to stand on my table. I want to make a table decor. So I'm going to take 2 jingle blocks, hot glue them together, and then hot glue them to the back of the heart. And that is it for this project. And look how stinking cute it came out. For this one, we're going to use a Dollar Tree love sign. This is plastic, and I believe I purchased this last year. We're going to use some fairy lights. I got these, I believe, from Hobby Lobby. So the first thing I want to do is remove the back, and I'm going to use Dollar Tree screwdriver. These are magnetic, which makes it a lot easier to remove the screws. So I wanted to do something with this sign that I bought last year, and I figured that maybe I can add some lights to it because I seen it at Hobby Lobby, something similar with the lights. So I'm just going to take like a screwdriver and poke a little hole and try to make a big enough hole for the lights. And it does crack it here and there, but believe me, once you paint it, you're not going to see it. Now, if you have a drill, you can actually place a little hole. It'll probably be easier, but my drill was dead, so I went this route. So to make your life easier, if you have spray paint, I would recommend doing that because painting this was really a pain. So I added a little baking soda just to make sure that it's going to cover, because it's plastic. Like I said, if you have spray paint, go ahead and spray paint it. But it's cold here. I can't spray paint anything, unfortunately. So I had to do this with the paint and a little bit of baking soda so it covers nice and thick. Now I'm going to be placing the lights inside the holes that I created. Now, if you don't have these lights, I believe you can get them at Walmart or Hobby Lobby. I don't know if Dollar Tree still carries them. These are like little bulbs at the front, not the little fairy lights you get normally, like garden lights. These would be the best ones to use. Now I have the lights all inside. I'm just going to place that backing right back on. Make sure all the wires are inside before I start placing the screws back. Now this is what it looks like with the lights on. Now you can decorate the front. I grabbed some hearts from Dollar Tree, some felt stickers, and place them in front. However, I remove them at the end, but I'm letting you know you can actually decorate the front. And that is it for this project. I'm going to be using a Dollar Tree heart, two craft papers from Hobby Lobby, the red and pink, and a piece of cardboard. And I used my Cricut and printed out this pretty image of the boy and girl. Now I'm going to remove the XOXO from the front. Now I'm going to be painting the heart, and I'm going to use white chalk paint. I'm also going to paint inside the heart and outside the trim. Now, because the heart doesn't have a backing, I'm going to use that cardboard piece. Take the red cardstock and just glue it to the cardboard. Now I'm going to take that pink cardstock that I created out of my Cricut, the little silhouette, and I'm just going to glue that right to the top of the red cardstock. And I'm just gluing inside the image as well, the little pieces so they don't move around. I could have used Mod Podge, but it was too messy, so I just decided to use the hot glue. Now I'm going to take that heart and I'm just going to glue that right over the top. And I'm just going to take my scissors and cut around the heart, cut off the cardboard and everything around it. No, I didn't like it just white. I thought it was kind of plain, so I'm going to take another piece of scrap paper or craft paper from Hobby Lobby. I cut it out in the shape of the heart, and I'm just going to apply it down with some Mod Podge. This craft paper is so cute. It's got like little tiny red hearts all around it. I thought it looked really cute on top. And this comes out really adorable. Now to hang it, I'm just going to put back the same ribbon that it came with. I'm just going to hot glue it to the back. And that is it for this project. And look how cute this came out. Well, that's it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. I want to wish everybody a very happy New Year's. Enjoy yourself. See you next year, guys. Bye-bye.